I used to say, yazi ukuthi umuntu wesifazane osenengane, she mustn't look for a man, but akanakekele lezi ngane zakhe up until kuze kube khona umuntu wesilisa osho ukuthi if lo muntu wesifazane enakekele izingane zakhe kanje angayiphatha kanjani
ingane yawo. Hayi inamandla. Kanti uzama ukuthi mfowethu hamba la ukhona ukuze ufike la uyakhona.
Exactly. Stop complaining. Nakumpilweni futhi ufuna ukubheka ukuthi kukhona ezinye izinto ezikunukela okwesikhashana because usendleleni edlulayo. Imimoya yendlela.
Powerful.
I want to take you to church now.
So what I've come to understand, njengamanje, there are two ways to buy a property.
Yeah.
There is a right way and a wrong way.
Yeah.
And most of abantu abamnyama, they are buying property the wrong way.
Yeah.
Which ends up with them losing a lot of money, losing a lot of time as well. Because do you know once you ends up one bad decision in buying a property, that can cost you 5 to 10 years of progress in life. Right. I feel like spend isikhathi eside sokukhuluma before we record. Because by the time the podcast indaba sesiphelile sesikhuluma
stuff sabantu sesilahleke endleleni.
Yeah. What is your highlights of the week?
Yeah, yes, what I've noticed ukuthi when you're on podcast like izinto okhuluma ngazo ukugcina sofuna ukuyozizwa ukuthi abantu bazo-react kanjani like if nje nihleli kuma platform la ngihlala khona ukuthi ba react kanjani but uma ngikhuluma nabo like nje sixoxa nje sithinta ama topic afana nale bengikhuluma ngayo ngibonile ukuthi like i-podcast njengana le abantu bayayidinga kakhulu like more especially izinto esikhulume ngayo nje last week it was families abantu like on their families they are suffering a lot so I was getting lot of reaction engenza ukuthi ngibe nakho ukuthi abantu bazoyijabulela kakhulu mangabe ukuthi sebeyayithola so that was my experience of the week like I find out ukuthi these are the common things abantu abaz experience.
I think ilokhunjana the reason why abantu can relate kuindaba my family issues, it's because I feel like a lot of families have a lot of issues, to be honest with you.
Yeah.
And because of that, even when I share about my issues now in my family, someone is like, oh, okay, can't now you go through this, now but I think that's why. Me now on my side, I think the highlights of this week was YouTube. I think the highlight was YouTube, and this week for the very first time I received a notification saying YouTube is now gonna start paying me. So I was then kokela manje so saying YouTube, but not on this podcast, on my personal page. So ngizoqala ngihole manje, which is really good because not only that, I think also ama responses okanye ama reactions engiwathola kuma followers kuma subscribers abantu they ukwenza content buya kulula masobukile but in background like what you see behind what you see it's easy compared to what happens behind the scene. So ngesinye isikhathi into wenza into eziningi editing behind the scene ugcina soba nawo ukuthi lento le yasokolisa but as soon as ubona ama rewards kanjalo njenga nokuthi uYouTube usuzokukhokhela njenga nokuthi abantu bakusendela ama messages besho ukuthi yazi le content le iyangisiza because like content yami it's more like educational. So abantu abaningi abafundisa about property into agcina sebona so kanti nali iphuthe ngalenza mangithenga umuzi wami so next time mangithenga umuzi mile ngikuthenge kanje. So I am motivated, man.
That's good.
Temangeni message ngadosa camera ka record same time. I get a message ngadosa camera.
Oh, ndiyasebenza le.
Ndiyasebenza bese sohola.
Yeah, but we want yazi mawusayiqala like it's for the love of people. I think more than ukuthi like says ukukhokhela manje. But ekuqaleni bo ukuthi like you are doing because yes of course we property need to brand your name but at the end of the day bofuna ukuthi ubasiza abantu. I can imagine ukuthi like how I can feel mangabe ukuthi I'm getting paid nami ngento engiyenzayo ngiyithanda ukuyenza. I can even put more work about I love what I'm doing.
but not second my results.
Yeah.
No, I think basically the reason why I started was when I began industry property, by a real estate agent, I realized what a lot of people are buying properties like the wrong way. So what I've come to understand, njengamanje, there are two ways to buy a property.
Yeah.
There is a right way and a wrong way.
Yeah.
And most of abantu abamnyama, they are buying property the wrong way,
Yeah.
which ends up with them losing a lot of money, losing a lot of time as well. Because do you know what? Once it ends up one bad decision in buying a property, that can cost you 5 to 10 years of progress in life. And that is based on just because unemali uthenga property, you just assume every property is an investment. That's not the case. So a property is more like double-edged sword. It can either build you or it can also burn you as well. So because you know what, let me make some time within isikhathi and educate people about property, specifically about abamnyama. At first bengifuna ukuyenza ngesizulu. But then I realized that I have a lot of followers from Joburg as well. And not everyone in Joburg speaks isiZulu. So I was like, okay, angizame ngesilungu kwenzela ukuthi everyone will be able to relate. Right now, my clients from Joburg, from Pretoria, from Devon, from PMB. It's amazing, man. It's amazing. I think uthando lokuthi ngifundisa abantu bavele babone okanye bavele bangethembe mase bengethemba bafuna ngibasiza mangibasiza nami ngalo ndlela phela ke ibusiness iyenzeka I gain as well.
Win.
Yeah.
Yazi sokhuluma ngendaba ye property, like there's one of my friend bro yazi ukuthi like njengoba sokhuluma ngale ndaba ukucaciseleka, this guy is a mechanic, right? So he was employed in Mpumalanga. Mayifika eMpumalanga ibhote a property umuzi ukuthi uzohlala kuona ngoba esebenza eMpumalanga.
Oh yeah, sure.
Like yabona uma uzothenga umuzi ufike endaweni like akayazi indawo ukuthi indawo kanjani, but you told yourself ukuthi okay, the salary is good and angifuna ukuthi nokurenta, ngifuna ukuhlala endaweni yami, you afford, yabo. And then wathenga umuzi. Mase uthengile umuzi without doing the proper research, yabo, but lo muzi was serving him.
Sure.
Yeah, and then he got a job overseas. I don't want to mention the country. So kwaba ukuthi njengobe overseas nje kunemuzi okufuna la ukhokhele la eSouth Africa. So unesikweliti sangala but ungale. And then it happened that wabona ukuthi boso nezikweliti eziningi ngala uyasafarisha ngale yabo. And then he came back. Mayebuya akasabuyele eMpumalanga. Usebuyela kwenye indawo manje. Usebuyela khona la eThekwini, akasabuyeli eMpumalanga.
Still
umuzi akasebenzisa but uyawukhokhela, yabo. So lo muzi indawo wathenga kuyona like umuzi angakaza kwazi ukuthi anganza imali ngokuthi uyarentisa ngawo nana ukhokhela nje ukuthi uhleli ukhona. Can you imagine ukuthi yenze frustration engakanani ukubona iamount engaka ephuma kwisalary yakho and you are not benefiting nothing?
Exactly. You know, because what I always teach my clients or show my clients, when you buy a property, my guy, you have to, it doesn't matter what we but you must always, as soon as you buy it, you must always have an exit plan. What's okay, if I were to exit from this deal or let go of this property, how would I do that? You can do that either through renting it out or even selling it. So which means if you buy a property or as good nomunye umuntu angayithenga, buy a property ozobona ukuthi if angisahlala lana, what can I do to ensure ukuthi I don't lose money through this property. So kunalento ebizwa nge-property space, no, in financial space basically kunalento ebizwa nge-liquidity. So the reason why property investment is one of the best ways to actually be financially independent, it's because if the property allows you to be someone who's flexible. But if you invest the right way, again, if you're a smart investor, because do you know ukuthi property uyakwazi ukuthi uthenge umuzi, let's say uthenge umuzi wa 1 million ngebond, and then lo muzi lo njengoba uthenga 1 million ngebond ukhokhela ibond, after 5 years lo muzi lo uwenzani kwi-value, you appreciate. Mothenga i-area rights again, property yenzani appreciate. If after 5 years lo muzi value yayo, for the sake of example, so 1,000 or 1,500,000, do you know ukuthi bank liyakwazi ukunikeza 500,000? Le mali yani mali that is always available to you. No, you don't have to go through my processes. No, you can just on your phone access to 500,000. On top of that, even le mali oyikhokha within the 5 years law, now ungakwazi uyi-accessa nayo. But now enye inkinga abantu ba-accessa leyo mali ukwenza into ezingekho right. Mhlawumbe u-accessa leyo mali uthenga imoto, it's not a good idea. Leyo mali leyo you can only access, if you are a smart investor again, you can only access it to buy even more properties. If not properties, you buy assets that will generate income for you.
That will help you mangabe ulo muzo ukhokhelayo. Ukuthi like umthwalo emahlombe wakho
yeah, into kanjalo. But yeah, I really like, even though phela sengijabuliswe ukuthi manje YouTube is paying me, I'm getting clients and all those things. Besides that, I really enjoy teaching people about property. Like it's I feel like it's no longer now a job, it's a calling.
I see, but I can see your excitement. Congratulations, my brother.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I don't know. Yeah. We spoke about, I think there's one topic I was very interested in when we were talking about ukhule emakhaya and then, okay, basically black tax. You are expected as umuntu okanye ingane yasekhaya eseyiphumelela ukuthi ubuyele ekhaya uzosiza isimo sasekhaya, right? But khona into wayemenshina engayafila ngathi powerful kakhulu ukuthi uma usize emakhaya, for example uzokwakha ekhaya kini, you must build with the storm in mind. Yabona nje lo line uwodwa nje mfethu wenza angacabanga ukuthi hey, yes kubalekile, but ziningi into ekumele uziconsiderishe uma uzosiza okanye uma uzokwakha emzini engawona wakho okowakini. But bengifuna ukuchecka kuwena ukuthi how did you come up with like yini enza ukuthi ucabanga ukuthi when you are building uma wakhe ekhaya you must build with the storm in mind? Eziphi izathu ezenza ukuthi usho kanjalo?
Well, nginomzekelo nginawo for lo question efana nale. Like nginabangani abaningi abanezitori eziningi ezenzakalayo empilweni zayo. Khona omnye umfowethu esiphila naye mfethu yabo. Shuthi ebenabazali bakhe nabo sisibakha about okusho ukuthi uyena umuntu okhona ekhaya, yabo. So but ngalesikhathi kukhona abazali bakhe, kukhona abazali bakhe, kukhona nabo namakhazini wabo nani, yabo. Bakhona nje labantu befamily abakhula la bahlala bebonke like as a family, yabo. But ubani abawina isinkwa manje abazali bakhe, yabo. So mabe ngasekho abazali emhlabeni ukusho ukuthi like there will be a struggle manje ngeke safana nasekuqaleni. Then nalabo abanye babona ukuthi okay, I know siye emakhaya kithi or sozama impilo la sizama khona. And then he was left nalabo sisi bakhe about 2, ne?
Blood sisters.
Abangeke baze baye kwenye indawo. Kusho ukuthi ufuna abahlali la, yabo. So wakubona ukuthi okay impilo ibhekene nayo manje uyena ufuna ukuthi navuke abe indoda, yabo. Waba ukuthi nike uphanda ngokuthi apushe isigela, ne? And then he became a teacher. Wabuya wathini wazoqala phansi manje impilo, wazoqala umuzi wakubo because unako ukuthi nawo sisibami laba okusho ukuthi omunye vele useganile sengisele nalo omunye ongelamayo. Okusho ukuthi we have a family. Mina obhekene kahle kahle umuzi wami,
umuzi wakhe, umuzi wakhe mangakha lapha manga.
Yeah, because mina
siso sisibazokana vele sika.
Yeah, bese sivele sesihleli na lo mncane uyangithobela yonke into like sihamba kahle but is respect. So ngi-right ngaye ukuthi ukhona, yabo. And then bethe mase wakhile umuzi babese laba bebehlala like sebe nama habits wabo manje, they are no longer kids, right? Sebebuya sebekhulile manje.
Ubani ke labo?
The cousins. Bebekhona ekuqaleni khona abazali. Sebeyabuya manje
because laba abahambe makushona abazali.
Okay. Mabebuya babuya sebethini manje sebezohlala bo. And can you imagine your cousin mhlawumbe umunye umdala nakuwena, wayevele imdala kwakuwena ngaleso sikhathi lesiya. Okusho ukuthi mayibuya usebuya ukuthi ne uyena ozobeka i-direction ukuthi
uzophatha manje
impilo iya ngakephi because umuntu omdala okhule naye unalento ukuthi uyohleze emdala wena.
Sure.
And uma kuukuthi empilweni sesiyaqala usi-afforda izinto uba nayo lento ukuthi ni as much as ubona ukuthi awuboni kahle but you want to give respect, yabo. Ngenxa ukuthi awufuni vele ukukhuluma isinomi kanjani eqaleni but utshela ukuthi the common sense will be common to the next person ukuthi ya kona manje akusafani nasekuqaleni, yabo. Abese akunikezela ispace sakho, yabo. So manje mase bebuya like sebeyachuzela ukuthi yini engizoyidla, like yeliphi room engizolala kulona, yabona like lonto le ukuthi I know sasihlala kahle nomalume, there was no problem.
Yeah, usayibambe ngalo.
Usayibambe ngalo. And mawuthi uyazama ukuphawula ukuthi hayi kanjani ngeke akusenzeki manje mama. Kwacaca ukuthi ngempela impilo yaqala manje naye umjito usenomakhodi manje uyazibona nawo unkosikazi ukuthi akanalizwi manje. Laba makuthi bafuna ukuzifikela nezintombi zabo bazozifikela like there's no problem. There's turmoil now all over. And then he went to the police station and the question he was asked ukuthi la wakhe khona umuzi wakho noma esekhaya yini? Wathi esekhaya.
So uye emaphoyiseni to get amaphoyisa to
protection order like to chase
ubaxosha kahle.
Yeah,
okay. Yeah.
So now kwaba ukuthi no isekhaya. So makusekhaya okusho ukuthi ekhaya it's home is home. If like abazali babengabazange baba dismiss labantu laba, so which means bane right. Or unless kufunakala bekhona umuntu omdala wefamily ozokwazi ukuthi azokumela. So now can you imagine ukuthi umuntu omdala okhona efamilini umzali walabantu laba. So like even if mangabethu uyaya kubona ukuthi uyocela usizo like banako ukudonsa inyawo ukuthi ishi yamanzi sibanibani kanje nanje vele ukhohlwe uyena mntanami makuukuthi kanjani uyozama ukwakha kwenye indawo just for a peace. Can you imagine amandla angako bro yabona. So cause uma ngabe ukuthi usela uwedwa umuntu wesilisa ekhaya unako ukuthi I know la sokuwena
but manje yamjikela le ndawo.
Yamjikela.
So wagcina akhe umuzi ezitshela ukuthi wakhela yena ngoba sekufanele ukuthi kanti sekuwumuzi wabo bonke okhazini.
And usasemncane yabo usasemncane unalo ukuthi I'm investing ukuthi mangisebenza kanzima manje ngisazoziphilela. Ngikhumbula nje ama conversation esasiba nawo manje ukuthi hey bro ngiphushela ukuthi mangiqeda konke lokho engikwenzayo la then I will relax ke nami drive imoto engiyifisayo nani yabo.
Yeah, phela mfethu mowenza izinto especially ekhaya ufuna ukwenza izinto bese uyadlula even nasekhaya nakuwena empilweni konto project enkulu emele uyenze uyazi ukuthi hayi ngasha le project ayemva kwaloko ngizokunami uzoqaqeka ngirelax mangifuna ukuthenga GTI ngalithenga mangifuna ukuthenga ivan ngalithenga but uma uzenza kanjalo uphinde sekumele uqala phansi futhi lapho uzokuthi ungasakhaleli ngisho nemali kuphela uzokhala nesikhathi sakho isikhathi sideka ngakho sozitshela udlulele lento kodwa manje udlulele
uyacabanga
progress empilweni ayikho.
Yeah, so ukuthi ke mangabe ukuthi uyazimention izinto ezifana nalezi ukuthi mawukuthi uzokwakhe ekhaya uzozama ukwabekela abantu ukuthi no you must be careful kuba ngathi like you are lazy or you are selfish yabo awucabangi la usuka khona yabo whereas wena uthola ukuthi like mhlambe izinto ozenza they won't be appreciated ngalendlela le osukuzibeka ngazo yabo because even I think wayengeke azabe nayo problem if mhlambe kwakuukuthi bayabambisana ngendlela owayebanikezela ngayo but ekugcineni kosuku emandleni wakho nako lokho ukuthi uyafisa ukubekwa a little bit high yabo ukuthi wena kufanele bonala ukuthi wena olokho uzabona ungathi uthi nangu umuntu ememeze egethini ufike khona induna eseyimchazela ungabizanga. It's normal like that ukuthi uyafisa ukuthi kwenzakale kanjalo
showcase no mfethu so should basically the moral of the story ukuthi uma udecide ukwakha ke nazo ukuthi akugona kakho wakhela wonke umuntu ungakhi with an expectation ukuthi uzophatha usekuzoba sengakho manje ngechange ukuthi kini
yingakho ke kudala ke mangabe ulokho wakhona ukuthi like isiZulu ke ngiphinde ngingabi muhle kahle kakusona but kukhona into abayibiza amaZulu ukuthi iliba yabo ukuthi abazali mabesakhona bathi no siyakusikela la ekadini usakhona ekhaya ulayiduze but le ndawo siyibekele wena
eyakho le okay
you are fully owning le ndawo le isekhaya but sesiyakusikela ukuthi la kuwena and but there must be a paperwork yabo ukuthi
kahle sokumuzi wakho within umuzi wakho
makuukuthi umuntu ofisa kanjalo uthola ukuthi awufuni ukusuka ekhaya but ungaba ukuthi uhamba ngalo
so makwenzeka uthola ukuthi kini kunesite enkulu abazali bakho bathi hayi lapha ekhoneni sekuyikakho lapha usungakha then ungayenzi paperwork uvele wakhe eventually ngenzeka irazo lakhe lidalithi hayi kusekhaya phela la ngiyathatha le room.
If there is no paperwork bro like uzomangani kwaphela egcineni also you need to go back to the court of law
Khona philosophy effective.
You see?
In fact, uma ukuthi wakhe kanjalo kini umncane abazali bakho bashonile ubhuda komdala takes over everything.
Yeah.
Ngokomthetho enkantolo kuzoba ngathi ngabhuti wakho.
Yeah, nanokuthi you can't ukuthi asike sithi mhlambe like une problem yokuthi awufuni ukuthi abe khona emagcekeni because mhlambe khona into destroyer la endlini endaweni. So ungakwazi nokuthi umchase away ukuthi mayingase atholakale la kule ndawo yakho then it's a problem. Yeah, ingakho ngisho ukuthi kuhle ukuthi nibe ne paperwork mawukuthi so wenza into kanjalo.
Caca ukuthi hayi no la.
Because ekugcineni kosuku ukwakha it's expensive.
It is.
Ukwakha it's very expensive and kukuthatha okuningi okukushintshayo in the process ngokwe character yakho yabo ukwazi ukuthi yazi mawakha mfethu uba nako ukuthi mhlawumbe uthola ukuthi yazi namhlanje ngeke ngaya kwenye restaurant like when I'm buying a meal nginayo ukuthi ish awusamenda bangaphi la bengibadla la your perspective start to change yabo
uzibona ithi 1.2 cabanga usamenda
cabanga ukuthi usamenda about 10 labo about 10 abo usamenda about 11 if you negotiate well mhlawumbe ungathola ngisho about 15 can you imagine ubadle ushiye igross endlini obongapheka and then usuthe ngendlela efanayo mase usuthe ngendlela efanayo
yazi usocabanga uzocabanga
so I mean like the process of building a house iyakushintsha nawe as a person yeah ugcina songasafani nalomuntu obowuyena eqaleni.
Yeah, all right, okay, no ngiyakuzwa nguzimpela. So Basil, tell me, in life njengamanje, are you where you want to be?
No.
You know what?
No, a capital letter no. A capital letter no.
Yeah. But do you realize, because mina ngiyakwazi from like long time ago.
Yeah.
Do you realize kodwa ukuthi futhi awukho where you used to be before?
Yeah.
And kunabantu abantu mabekubuka bafisa uba wena even though wena wazi ukuthi usekude kunala ofuna ufika khona.
Yeah.
Like uyayazi nje uyayibona leyo nto.
Yeah.
All right, okay. So my question is in fact, because of understanding where you're coming from, right?
Yeah.
What is it yini oyenzile mfethu ukuze ufike la ukhona manje? The reason why ngiqale ngakubuza leyo ukubuza kona ukuthi bengingafuni ukuthi ngithi mangibuza ukuthi yini ngathini yini oyenzile uze ufike la ufuna ukufika khona bese ube nokuthi ngeke mfethu ngifike kuphi ngoba ngingabikho la ngifuna ukufika khona. But now you understand the context la lengiqhama ngayo ukuthi ke yini mfethu oyenze because kunabantu ababu level efana neyakho back then and namhlanje they look back they don't see any progress.
Yeah.
Basalaba bekhona before.
Yeah.
But wena subashiyile. So into engifuna ukuyazi ukuthi according to you what do you think helped you ukuthi ufike la ukhona njengamanje?
Yeah, firstly ngathini at the time like nambe even though benginawo umbono benginawo bengikwesaba ukuhlupheka yabo bengikwesaba ukuhlupheka but bengazi ukuthi ngingenza kanjani yabo up until I was introduced to church. Of course ngaleso sikhathi the church like kunabantu abazoku-inspireisha ngendlela eyehlukile nangale ndlela ophila ngayo yabo and then I started loving ukuthi like bokunabo pastor bebephila impilo powerful benama business yabo so ukuba seduze kwabo nanokuthi mina there was that talent ebenginayo ngaleso sikhathi uba seduze kwangenza ukuthi ngafisa I've learned a lot ukuthi ngingafisa ukuthi sengazathi nami ngingaba nayo something ngengiyi-ownayo but I was far away. I mean like there was more reason ukuthi ngangingangafana nabo and then it was gonna be normal. So now I chose ukuthi no okay even though ngingazi ukuthi mangizoya kanjani phambili but at least let me position myself la ngizozwa khona into positive that is gonna help me the time ngingakakazi ukuthi what is it that I want but ukuba sendaweni right engizolalela into engibona ukuthi izongishintsha ingisendaweni engcono it helped me a lot ukuthi at least my positioning must be right. As much as I don't know what I'm gonna do but my positioning must be right. Yeah.
So in what one advice you ongayinikeza umuntu who's where you used to be but they want to get where you are now? If there's one thing they need to focus on, no matter what, they need to make sure they focus on that thing. What would it be?
Well, of course, I mean, like we are created unique. Everyone has got his own individual talent or anything interest. Uyabona? But engingakusho ukuthi umuntu ofana nami, of course manje we've gained ages. Uyabona? But ungawesabi ukuyoqala phansi islate esisha if you're gonna be constant on it. Right? I'm gonna make you an example. One day I was driving to Joburg. Ngihamba ngokomsebenzi, imoto engangihamba ngayo kwakuyimoto enamandla. Right?
Go in.
Ngoba sengiyayidayisa manje, but it was a SUV. Yeah. It was a nice SUV. So now when I was driving to Joburg, imoto engangihamba ngayo ngokuhlonipha ispeed somgaqo ngangihamba ngo-120 kilometers an hour and then mhlambe ngidelay kubo 100 kilometers an hour. So mangihamba ngeGoli ngidlule i-truck eli-customer lasemsebenzini lihamba ngo-80 kilometers an hour.
I-truck olaziyo?
I-truck engilaziyo, but I took a note because i-truck engilaziyo. Ithawu le-truck ngilidlule. Mangilidlula lihamba ngo-80 kilometers mina ngihamba ngo-120 kilometers an hour. And then I got to Melrose, ngafike ngapaka khona ngoba ngangifuna ukudla. So mangipaka, the time ngihleli lapha mase Melrose ke uyabona lapha ku freeway imoto ezidlulayo. Ngibone awunali truck bengidlule kudala nali lidlula ngo-80 kilometers an hour. Mina ngimile, uyabona? So kungifikele mina ukuthi consistency is key. That 80 kilometers an hour ungenze manje ukuthi mangisuka la I will have to compete with him behind. I'm chasing from behind. So if mina bengimaintainile 120 kilometers an hour, okusho ukuthi I should have landed to my destination manje. So sengisho ukuthi ukuqala ubese ube consistent uqale kamuva. Even if you are slow, but if you are consistent on what you are doing, then you can still get at least la ufuna ukuya khona. Yabo? Ungasababheka abantu abakudlulile ukuthi inoba bangabe bakuphi. Mhlambe kungenzeka ukuthi bathole istop khona, yabo? And then even if so badlula futhi, like don't compete with them, start and then carry on. Then usangafika la ufuna ukufikelela khona, because people they are wasting time behleli bahleli emakhoneni. I know that it's a high story mangabe ukuthi uzosikhuluma wena la ihlambe khona la usipana khona or hlambe khona ibusiness olenza. It's a high story kusho, but abantu they are wasting a lot of their time complaining. If you are complaining, then you must work on your complaints. Because if you are complaining, all the complaints are valid. But ekugcineni kosuku uzocomplaina kuze kube nini. If angikuthandi mina la ngisebenza khona, which means I must change myself because I can't change that place because it was existing before my time. So umuntu okufuna ashintshe ubani yimina if I don't like where I am. So if you can still start again. That's the advice that I can give umuntu. You can still start again
and then be consistent.
Yeah, even if noma ungangasafiki mina la ngifike khona engiqaleni, which is nama ngiconstant, of course ngeke usangithola ngoba na ngisho la track ukuthi la ngeke lisangithola if ngangabe ngo-120, but ukuba constant kwalo so kungenza ukuthi ngilibukele phambili.
Libe phambi kwakho.
Exactly.
Ayinamandla mfowethu, inamandla.
You can always start again, bro. Yeah.
Sure.
Because uyazi ukuthi abantu abahleli manje ohlele ekhaya ukhala ngani, ukhala ngokuthi hey my age is bad. I'm talking about a 28 years old, 30 years old. Ukhala nge-age yabo. But uNkulunkulu mayembusisa ngeminyaka usangaphila up until 60, osho ukuthi usaneminye iminyaka u30 emsalele complain about the same thing.
Yeah.
You see, and you know, another thing is like if you complain kanjalo ufikelela la age say against wena kakhulu ke ngempela manje that you have developed the muscles wo complain in such a way so ze wawajwayela, yabo? Kunjani
wena kwenza sense and you are justified.
Yeah, kwenza sense, yabo? Kwenza sense. Kunjani nomuntu mhlawumbe umuntu othola ukuthi ni ucela erobotini akaceli erobot. It's not a problem ukuthi like you are a beggar, but the problem is problem ukuthi Ukumona khona umuntu mhlawumbe uthola ukuthi ufaka imkhono ingalo yakhe la ejezini yabo la kukhombisa leso simo useze wajwayela ingqondo yakhe yazajwayela akusamthathi the practice seyimenze waba perfect even emotionally yobuso ukuthi ngicela kanje mangicela so amehlo wakhe akasa usewabhekise eceleni more than ukuthi lokucela kuyamshintsha yini yabo so it must change you impilo ukuthi okay I'm going on the street ucela ukuthi one day ngizoshintsha ngibe umuntu kanje.
Sure.
Yabo.
No, ngiyakuzwa mfethu ngikuzwa kahle.
Yeah.
Like as you're talking about, especially I think what mangithiwa ngi-summarize into ishile njengamanje ukuthi I think what is important, you shouldn't be afraid.
Yeah.
Qala phansi.
Yeah.
If you see ukuthi la khona you're not happy, you can start over again.
Yeah.
And once you start over again, then what's going to be important ukuthi ube consistent.
Yeah.
Thula lane yakho and be consistent. You don't have to be fast, you don't have to be slow.
Yeah.
The pace yakho hamba ngepace yakho
Yeah.
as long as you're consistent. And then lastly ukuthi ke avoid complaining about situation. Yes, even to our complaints, even if you have a right ngathini ama complaints akho they are true, they make sense. But if you don't act on fixing them, then it's pointless for you to complain. Because you get to a point where you've built ama muscles of complain.
Exactly.
Sekuyinorm wena manje complain.
Exactly.
Usudlela ukhala ukuthi hayi uba yonke into nje kusehleki le complain ehambayo.
Yeah.
Ngiyakuzwa mfethu.
True. Yazi like lastly kulomzekelelo sisabuya esikolweni sisafunda isikole sasithi masibuya esikolweni more especially ngalezikhathi lezo uFebruary January uthola ukuthi ekushayiswe inja yabe siyalahlela ecaleni komgaqo uyazi ukuthi hey mangidlula lapha kunesimele esinzima kabi yabo but leso simele uyadlula kusona asizokustop ukuthi yesikoleni ukuvala amakhala because isimo asikuvumeli ukuthi asibi kulo ndawo leyo ukuthi like there is a smell but akusho ukuthi jike uye esikolweni ukuthi like kunesimele sikeduze komgaqo
usazuya manje esikoleni
awusezuya esikoleni because kube ukuthi leyo nje yabona ize yaphela when then uye esikolweni you will be left behind so kunako ukuthi nakho empilweni futhi ufuna ukubheka ukuthi kukhona ezinye izinto ezikunukela okwesikhashana because usendleleni edlulayo imimoya yendlela.
Powerful.
I want to take you to church now. Yeah, man.
I know.
I'm feeling warmed up.
Yeah, no. Ngiyakuzwa mfowethu ngivukelwa enye into engayitshela uMjida wayikhuluma nje ukhuluma ngani ayijwayele ukuwa leshana isigingqa yini manje hawu
Yes ukuthi ziyakhala
ziyakhala manje siyangibona
sound is the energy.
That's fine, it's fine, I can take it off. So basically lo Mjida lo mfethu uthi what we have to understand is that what you have to understand is that South Africa, each and every day, each and every morning, there is a lion that is waking up in the morning. And this lion is contemplating in the yokuthi I have to run as fast as I can. In fact, I have to run faster than the slowest rabbit. So ukuthi le lion kumele gijime ukudlula the slowest unogwaja ongagijimi kakhulu. Every day he has to do that because if that lion doesn't do that, then what's going to happen is he will starve to death. Yabo. So kusho ukuthi ngani every day mayivuka ekseni kumele azi ukuthi namhlanje ukuze survive kumele ngigijime ukudlula the slowest animal. Kwenze ngizokwazi ukuthi ngidle. But at the same time, on the same day, the same morning, kunonogwaja ovukayo othi namhlanje kumele ngibaleke faster than the slowest nogwaja. Kwenzela ukuthi ngingezuba kulonogwaja ozodliwa.
Yeah.
Because if I'm not going to do that, I'm going to die on that day. Yabo? So which means what? Which means these two animals, one is running towards something in order for it to survive. One is running away from something in order for it to survive. So each and every day, imagine, moral of the story, in South Africa, hey, globally, Umuntu mawuvuka mfethu, it doesn't matter whether you are running towards something or you are running away from something. You just have to run. When kumele uyazi ukuthi what is it that you are running towards? Yini lona oyisukelayo. If there is nothing that you are running towards, then you have to identify ukuthi ke yini oyibalekayo. Because either or you have to be running, because if you don't run, if you don't have a reason to run,
That's power, man.
you might not survive that day. So I was then reflecting with my life, ngizibuza nje mina in general ukuthi am I running towards something or am I running from something? And I was like, hey, it's both.
Yeah. Hey, this is powerful, what you're saying. It's very powerful. Yazi ukuthi ngiyacabanga ukuthi ni okusho ukuthi ni like this lion nalo nogwaja they don't have a rest day.
There's no rest. You snooze, you lose.
Yeah, you snooze, you lose, because manje awasabheki condition ye-weather ukuthi ni linjani namhlanje ngathi linjani lanetha noma linethi. Otherwise the gap is getting closer.
Exactly.
You see, can you imagine if uphila impilo kanjalo?
Yeah.
Because consistency is powerful.
It's powerful, man. It's powerful.
In whatever that you are doing.
If mfethu ungamukela empilweni yakho ukuthi every day when I wake up in the morning there is no rest. Every day when I wake up, I know, man.
Yeah.
I have to run towards something.
Yeah.
Or I will have to run from something.
Yazi khona umuntu guy like uDavid Goggins angazi noma ukuzwe yini umbuko yini.
Ngizwe ngangizwe.
Yeah. Uthi uDavid Goggins, life is not difficult.
Sure.
But people are weak.
Hey, yabazi ngiyakubona manje urumshini qembo gijima.
Yeah.
Ngiyabona. Hey, lalithani ya.
But yazi ngiyakithi mase ngiyiviwa ngempela ukuthi ni if you can stop complaining and fight. I'm talking to myself also. I'm not like talking to someone who's sitting at home. I'm talking to myself. If you can fight through every day, then your life can change.
Can change. You know what mfethu incane kanjani into odinga ukuthi uyenze every day in order for you to be top 1%. Abantu mfethu, people especially like South Africa, abantu abaningi mfethu, they just do bare minimum. And it takes very small effort for you to be different, for you to do better than them. Ngoba abantu mfethu, people number one, they're not consistent. Abantu yabo abaningi abantu manje abayijimini. But ingoba qala unyaka, masiqala sithi March, April, abantu bayeke ejimini. Why? Because people are doing izinto because but excitwa motivation. As soon as the motivation fades away, there is no discipline to be consistent, even when manje. Khona manje okwa post status wasemzimkhulu wa post status ethi every new idea is exciting because it hasn't fought back. As soon as idea fights back, akekho umuntu ofuna ukuyenza. But every idea will fight back.
Yeah.
So people, they have ideas and they push their ideas until the ideas fight back and they're like, oh, this is not working.
Uyazi ukuthi abantu abakanjalo, that is why bagcina sebe believer ngisho nakuma spirits. Umbona umuntu asho ukuthi I know mina ngiyathakatha yabo. Yeah. Which is I don't believe kulezo zinto kakhulu yabo. That is why I don't even attract them. Yabo. Because nginokuthi if I'm training consistently, uba ungangithakatha uthi ngingabikho fit. I'm telling you, he is not gonna be fit. But it's a progress.
Yeah.
Why ingakwazi ukuthi ume phambi kwayo ukuthi there will be no muscle ngiyamqalekisa akakho muscle azovela again.
It's impossible.
It's impossible.
The only problem will be ukuthi uzojima ungawaboni ama results after 6 months and uthi uyathakatha.
Exactly.
When uyekisa ukuthi uyathakatha, the fact is bongathakatha ama results adinga ini isikhathi.
Process besenzeka.
Process besenzeka phakathi. The sooner you accept that it's gonna take. Okay, let me read that again.
Sure.
The sooner you accept that it's going to take longer than you want, the sooner it happens faster than you think or faster than you expect. So, ukusho ukuthi mfethu, mowenza into, you have to amukela ukuthi izothatha isikhathi ukuthi yenzeke for it to work out. There is you know the number one guy njengamanje ku YouTube, Mr Beast. That guy, it took him 10 years ukuthi abone ama results. 10 years. But kuyena he only had two choices. I'm becoming a YouTuber, like a successful YouTuber, or I die trying. So that was it. There was nothing else. That is why when 5 years passed, engaboni my results, akazange aba na ukuthi ayisebenzi le, let me leave it. Because when in a choice, he's going to become a YouTuber or he will die trying. 10 years later, he becomes number one. You know, his YouTube page, YouTube channel is worth, I think, more than 20 billion.
Can you imagine? Can you
In
imagine?
fact, there was someone last year, or a company last year, that wanted to buy it for billions, multiple billions, but he was like, nah, so that's where he got after 10 years. So which then means if une idea oyisebenzela towards yona and awukamkelanga ukuthi kuzothatha isikhathi ukuthi uyibone isebenza, then mfana kithi uzosala endleleni. Ngeke ufike phambili.
Yeah, but you know what it takes into efana nale ukuthatha ekuthenini uphila nabantu abangakanani in your circle, because yazi ukuthi abanye abantu abaningi bafeliswa ukuthi if I'm starting this podcast, mase ngibona umuntu mhlambe inga popi ngalendlela bese ubuyilindele ngizo explaina ngithini kusibani bani yabo. So uphila unabantu abaningi okufuna ukuthi ubachazele empilweni yakho yabo. So abantu abaningi abamile bamiso ukuthini, not because abanawo amandla okuhamba yabo, banawo amandla okuhamba but bacabanga ukuthi bangapha abantu kumele ngibachaze. Yazi ukuthi khona umuntu oyiphara ongasakuthanda ukubayiphara, but there's lot of amaphara ofuna wachazele
ukuthi
this thing is not working. So ustuck ekuthenini how many people ofuna ngibachazele. Kukhona umuntu ohleli kwi poverty ohlaliswa ukuthi kunabantu abaningi manje ofuna ngibachazele. Khona umuntu ofeel ukuthi I feel ukuthi when I was at school, I was young, there was a lot that was happening, but sengimdala manje I need to go back and upgrade my matric or do something. But unalento ukuthi mase ngibonakala ngiphethe incwadi ngiyesikolweni ngizochazela abantu abangaphi ukuthi lesinqumo engisithathayo. You see, so now I know that you are a MS student. Ilokhuza simplification, mangabu simplify isibalo suke sinama terms amaningi, but wena uzosimplify ekutheni mhlambe sogcina sesizoba u-x squared. It's easy to look at that x squared, which is still carries the same value than lesasibalo lesebesilapha phezulu. So if you are simplifying your life, like you are cutting off all zonke lezi ufuna ukuyibona kalula. So now ukuzibona kalula wena uzogcina so s squared. It's easy to see yourself in the system ukuthi mina ngulo, I choose these things. But mangabe ukuthi usanabantu abaningi ufuna ukuthi ubachazele, then it's a problem. Exactly. So nje the first start ukuthi let's arrange my life manje ukuthi akusadingeke ukuthi ngibe nabantu abaningi abakhona kwi-circle yakho.
Especially yabona for example ngizokwenza futhi example ya YouTube, because you know I'm trying to be a YouTuber as well. No, I am.
Yeah, YouTube.
I'm gonna be getting paid very soon. You know what I mean? I'm a YouTuber. So if there's a lot of people who wants to now be content creators, and a lot of people are scared of the camera. Like it's in camera yathusa. Clearly imva camera udinga isibindi. Nokujwayela mase ujwayela ke gcina sekulula. But there is a lot of people who wants to actually become content creators, but umuntu uyasaba ukuthi yabo uzomela ngichaze manje ukuthi yini lengizama ukuyenza manje ku TikTok. Yabo semele ngichaze lo bani abantu bazoyibona bathini abantu bazothini. And as long as isekli yakho abantu associate nabo iphupho lakho bengaliboni kuyinto engenzeka, you know ukuthi ngelenzeka, you can't be one of abangani abawu10 abangawona ama-content creators and bese ujesu be-content creator. It's impossible. Because none of those people none of those people will be supporting, not necessarily saying ukuthi you can do it without their support, but most often uphumelele entweni kumele uzi-associate okanye uzipositione nabantu who will influence okanye ngingathini fuel you ukuthi uyenze into lofuna ukuyenza. But if uzozi-associate nabantu aba-against that, then you're not going to be able to do it. It's not going to be possible. So I think also ukuchoose abangani. Siyahamba, yes, ku right ukuba nabangani esakhula nabo, abangani esihlale nabo, abangani siphile nabo isikhathi eside. But siyafika isikhathi mazola lapho khona abangani bakho sebengasayibona abantu bohambo lwakho. Siyafika isikhathi lapho khona manje i-calling yenu i-purpose yenu isihlukile, and it's okay ukuthi uthini ukuthi hayi manje angisafoli under this group of people, angisaqualify ukuba nalabantu because mina ngifuna lokho bona bafuna lokho. Into bokukhuluma ngayo kunabantu abaningi abaphuzayo abafuna ukuyeka utshwala, but bayancane abakwazi ukuya because kuzomela bachaze. Kuzovela bachaze manje ukuthi mina ngibikile
babambeke la
leyo nto leyo nje kuphela
exactly.
So my sectors now are very important. But before we close, my guy, what's the last thing you want to share with umlaleli namhlanje ekhaya sizovala?
No, engakusho mina mfethu ukuthi ni like I think angakusafuna la ukuthi ngiphume ngisabala we're gonna stick kuloko sesikhulume ngakho because we're concluding like ngoba silana sihleli kuba flow lo hleli wona
njalo third floor but noma hleli la ku third floor nje kunezihlahla esizibonayo
ezivele la iwindini ku second floor. Can you imagine? So I'm going back kulela point obolukhuluma ukuthi ni angeke sesikhule sonke lesihlahla esivele la phezulu sinama branches. Kukhona ama branches umbono wawo ukuthi thina sizophelela la abuke abantu abalapha ku first floor manje. But ikhona amanye athi no thina we will go up until we go to the yield point njengoba sosiwabona nje. So can you imagine ukuthi isihlahla asikhulanga sonke like if besikhule sonke which means besingeke sibe namthunzi leso sihlahla uzaba isihlahla nje simila nje sikhule sanqala saya phezulu. All what I'm trying to say ukuthi ni isihlahla nje besiqala si sticker ngithi so nathi ngoba besikhula sisonke like sidlala ibhola sonke senza yonke into like we were a stick yabo but manje ungafuni ukuthi umunye umngane wakhe masethi no mina I'm gonna be a lower branch and then isihlahla that's the beauty of the tree but when asufuna ukuthi ni branch nalabantu ababrancha ububone ukuthi usanawo amandla okuqhubekela phezulu uyabo and another thing engifuna ukuyisho ukuthi like lento ishoyo ukuthi bokhuluma ngani ngiyikhohlwa ke manje like bokhuluma maybe say something
in our conversation right now.
While I'm still thinking.
While you're still thinking. All right, maybe ngakhubuza nje ukuthi if you haven't subscribed, please look for the subscribe button, subscribe and join the community because I think what we are building here sakha iqembu labantu who will say I'm not waiting for the government, who will say I'm not waiting for someone to come and help me, to come and save me, but I want to stand up and do something about my situation. So yazi it was so painful this week. Beginning of the week angazi usokhumbulile ungitshela masokhumbulile but beginning of the week this week ngihlangana nomjida I usually meet people kunabantu abafuna nje ukuthi ngihlangana nabo just about advice and stuff like that because of my TikTok page i-content engiyenzayo lapho. So I met this guy, he's young, he's like what 19 he's young and wenza straight lento yenziwo basically design lento leyo design imizi and stuff like that. So this guy isimo sasekhaya sikho sihle yes and he spent 3 years working on this design complex. I-design yakhe it's like indawo ezoba nehotela nendawo zokudlala nendawo zama-event ne-communal swimming pool ama-parking into kanjalo basically that's the design. So because he's young he spent a lot of hours in that thing and now in his mind he's looking for an investor and yabona lomshalo mfethu I'm going to be honest with you indlela ayiyona indlela abebeka ngayo lento nothing matters now. What he wants is an investor to invest in this thing and then yapop yabo. So manje mfethu ngiyamlalela ngiyabona yazi it's clear to me ukuthi it's not going to happen but to him there's nothing else he was going to do except for getting an investor. So ngimbuza ukuthi all right, have you ever run a business before? Athi cha. Ngithi now okay sharp. Le complex lo design is there anyone qualified about architect or anyone like that who has checked it and said like no everything is fine? Athi no cha. Ngithi now all right okay sure. bese ngimtshela ukuthi uyazi right now in South Africa there are no longer investors who are willing to invest entweni idea. No investor invests in ideas now. Because there's a lot of people who have a lot of different ideas, brilliant ideas. But the problem is, ideas don't work. Like your first idea is not gonna work. You have to accept it. Ukuthi chances of your first idea working out are slim. Yes. So every investor will ask you ukuthi le idea yakho isike yayenza yini imali. Uyakwazi ukwenza imali. Ngaze ngamtshela futhi ukuthi even if he gets an investor umuntu ozomnikeza 7 million, does he know ukuthi ngakwazi ukuyirana lento? Like it's gonna fail. It's going to fail. And the reason why I'm saying that it's not because I don't trust him. It's not because ngimcela paso and ngiyam undermine. No, it's because mfethu abantu namhlanje abamulti-millionaires because of their brilliant ideas. Most of their first ideas failed. So do you think you're better than them? Yabo? So I'm trying to be as true as possible to him. Phuma kule mindset yokuzitshela ukuthi you are waiting for someone, you are waiting for a messiah to come and save you from your situation.
Yangishaya kakhulu mina.
Ngaze ngamtshela ukuthi I promise him if he can do something right now ezomenzela imali and then try to find investors to invest in that, like lento le emenzela imali, to scale it and make it bigger, then he can find investors. I myself can invest in lento le, but I wouldn't invest into idea. Yabo? He couldn't get it, man. He couldn't get it. He strongly believed there will be someone who will believe in this thing and it's gonna work out. And ukhala ngokuthi anginayo imali ukuthi ngiqale noba yini into. Ngambuza ukuthi mina, do you think like ngathini, do you know ukuthi number one kunabantu abanama ideas akanje o designer that are 10 times better than yours? Do you know ukuthi kunabantu that have a planned town? Do you know ukuthi kunabantu, because he feels like he spends so much time and into yakhe inswep, and mangibheka le it's ngathini it's ngayenza nami leyanto. You get me? I'm not umuntu architect, but into engayenza nami ngiyamtshela ukuthi ngabantu abasebenzisa AutoCAD benze ilento le by design and you can go around it, ungene ngaphakathi endlini,
system advanced.
It's but they know what it's not gonna work. They need to work on it. But yena where he is right now, he has to do something ezomfakela imali.
No, dinga umuntu ozomsiza ukuthi aphume. Yes, I love ukuthi une ambition kanjalo.
Yes.
Yeah, but udinga upolish ukuthi akwazi ukuthi abone ngenye indlela. Yeah.
Ngaze ngamtshela mfethu ukuthi if you say there is no way you can make money right now for yourself, hamba uyele ngakini la uhlala khona. Bese ungena imizi ngemizi ucela ukwasha imoto zabo, bangazisekhawusha uzoziwasha, uwasha ama-window wabo. Ama-window ezindlu, wenze icebo. You don't need any equipment to do that and you'll make money.
You see, now it goes back to lento engikhuluma ngayo ukuthi ukuwasha amawindi nabo it would take you to explain to abantu ukuthi hey, so washa amawindi man. That is why ngisho ukuthi make your life simple labo. Like in closing nje mina ngingathi mina mfethu uyazi kukhona like sisaseclassini kwakhona abantu mfethu ababeshaya mhlawumbe ukuthi umuntu ushaya ngo 80%. Phasa ngabo 8 yabo.
Ama distinction.
Yeah. Ubese be ama A student. But akanayo motivation from isecl yakhe yasekhaya. Yabo. Ubese bekhona umuntu ophasa ngo 50%. But une motivation enkulu esuka ekhaya yabo. Umze khuluma ukuthi mina I'm going to become a doctor. Yabo? Lo 50%.
Yeah.
And then lo 80% unawo ukuzibuza ukuthi hayibusibani bani. Ngathi thina sesabu kuba odokotela ku 80 ufuna uba udokotela uyabo uthola ukuthi ushawa isecond yakho yabo ukuthi so manje sosebenzisa lo as a reference ukuthi if ngabe ukuthi lo muntu uthi ufuna uba udokotela okusho ukuthi nami ngingaba but wesaba the title
ibizwa nge-imposter syndrome. Imposter syndrome ukuthi you are capable enough to be what you want to be but you as under my when ubona ngathi ayingeke, I can't really do that.
Exactly.
Yeah, so it's something like that.
Yeah,
something like
needs counseling.
No, you need to join this community, man. We're gonna get rid of those things.
This community.
You need to come and subscribe and join us in this conversation.
Exactly.
But with that being said, thank you so much, man, for your time. This is our 3rd episode.
Yeah.
I'm hoping very soon we'll be getting to 10 episodes.
Exactly.
Yeah. Once we get to 10 episodes, we'll start like pushing it on Facebook, on Instagram, and on TikTok.
No saso push asibanikeza abantu. But in closing mhlambe ngingathi mina mfethu ngikhulume nalo mfethu osekhaya, ngikhulume nalo my sister osekhaya, like obona ukuthi isimo siyabheda manje, and ngingathi like use leyo nto le. Khona ezinye izinto othola ukuthi zibukeka ngathi ziphuwa, but you can still use them as advantage. Yazi ukuthi uma usekhaya kusengekho umuntu obeka ithemba kuwena, and then it helps you ukuthi uqale kahle into, like you have no responsibility ukuthi if like awufikanga na something on the table ulosuku ukuthi like uzobuza imibuzo. So impilo uyiqala kahle uwedwa, akekho umuntu othembele kuwena, and then you have even a right ukuthi like if ufuna ukushiya ekhaya khona umuntu ofuna ukuchopha kuyena ngenxa ukuthi ufuna ukusondelela lento oyifunayo. So qala with what you have, ungafuni ukuthi uze ube na something. If you are a farmer, qala lapho kuleso school garden, ukhombise ngalo makabisha u5 ukuthi uwanakekela kangakanani. You can't ukuthi ufune ihouse usehlula u1 room.
Sure,
yeah.
Sure.
Excel on your one room. The time you excel on your one room, then someone will be interested, will be attracted. You are attracting someone.
Yeah.
You know, but this is a topic for another day. I used to say, yazi ukuthi umuntu wesifazane osenengane, she mustn't look for a man, but akanakekele lezi ngane zakhe up until kuze kube khona umuntu wesilisa osho ukuthi if lo muntu wesifazane enakekela izingane zakhe kanje angayiphatha kanjani
ingane yawo. Hayi idabadla kanti uthi uzama ukuthi mfowethu hamba la ukhona ukuze ufike la uyakhona.
Exactly. Stop complaining.
Hayiba